So as I say, folks, this is Orange Blossom Trail, and that goes right into the mall. So if you're coming into this is what it looks like from the outside. Of course, like any other Guitar Center, pretty standard. They're based in Westlake, California. I believe there's 269 stores. It's been around since 1959, Guitar Center. They do rentals, of course, as you can see, lessons, repairs. So let's go take a look inside. So just a quick sign of the times, they do curbside pickup. They require masks going in there, so here I am with my mask going inside a Guitar Center. So I guess, folks, the first thing we could say about Guitar Center that you might not know by the name is that they sell all kinds of musical instruments. They have everything here you could want. They have microphones, you can see here, all kinds of, and this is a professional store, folks, so you're gonna come here and you're gonna see the best of the best. And they do many. I believe Eric Clapton does a signature Stratocaster for them. I believe it's the Eric Clapton Strat. This is funny. This is a keyboard. This is similar to the one that Matt bought a few years back, and for his birthday. There's a little symbol there, Guitar Center. So you can get anything here from speakers to the keyboards to you name it. Look at his turntables. You can come here for turntables. Boy, it's been a while since I've seen a turntable. That's for sure. They got drums. The home of Giller, as they would say. You got a great collection of songbooks here. Huh? A little shout out from Matt, AC/DC. Probably if not his favorite group, he had a tattoo of AC/DC on his arm. So probably his favorite group, I would think. He liked a lot of groups, but definitely one of his favorites. Definitely in his top 5. We went to see them in concert 3 different times. So this here is the specialty room. This is where they have a lot of the high-end stuff. This room, it smells, it's great. It smells just like wood, but it's all the guitars and stuff. And this is where Matt came in and just, nonchalantly pulled one of these off the wall. And I don't know if it's still here. It was a banjo. I mean, look at this. This is $4,000 Martin acoustic. It's a short scale. And most of these guitars, this one's $4,500. That's a Taylor Grand Auditorium. I mean, not for nothing. If they say when you go to heaven, this is what it would look like for Matt. I think him walking down the tunnel and him seeing this room and probably a room full of video games would be amazing too. But I think this would very much impressive. Look at this, a Southern Jumbo Sunburst acoustic, $5,500. Talk about a beautiful guitar. You could just pretty much get anything in here. Looking for that banjo. So as you can see, folks, this is just a wall full of one guitar after another. I mean, you're talking Les Paul, you're talking SGs. I mean, I couldn't even begin to tell you a 10th, a 5th, a 20th of what Matt knew. But holy cow, I wish he was here right now. I'd probably put any one of these on my credit card happily to hear him play it. But like I say, folks, this was his favorite place to come. And what you got in here is just everything you need. I mean, look at this. I'm talking about heavenly. Incredible stuff. I mean, look at this. Guitars for every shade, every mood, every personality. I mean, look at the scope of this. Look at this. It's a whole wall of guitars. Just totally incredible. So, yeah. So, like I say, folks, bittersweet to come here. It's just, it's a very weird feeling. I mean, like I say, for myself, I just, on one hand, you want to run a million miles away from it. On the other hand, you want to embrace it. And I just happen to be in this area over here. Holy cow, there's a orange guitar right there, which I'm sure Matt would have loved. His favorite color. Yep. Man, I'll tell you, I think if Matt was here, I probably would have gotten him a guitar. And he loved the color orange. When he was a little boy, I told him he could paint his room, or we could paint his room any color he wanted. And he picked this color, brilliant orange. I mean, it was hard to be depressed in that room, let me tell you. But I think if he was here, probably some of these amps right here, And some of these guitars, I don't know, like I said, at least one of those guitars, that's for sure. Really cool place. So yeah, they do repairs in here. They sell cases, they sell vinyl. A big shout out for Matt again for Rush. Loved Rush. Pretty much loved everybody. I think the only band he didn't really like was Scorpions. That was probably the only band he didn't like. Other than that, it was just music all the way. Okay, folks, so I hope you enjoyed that trip to Guitar Center. Want to wish Matt a happy birthday in heaven. I miss him and I love him. So if you can, please subscribe. I'm going to keep you up to date on the Waffles Foundation. We're working on that. Hopefully we're going to be able to do that sooner than not, and just keep you up to date. So once again, folks, happy birthday to Matt in heaven. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. And remember, as the Beatles said, all you need is love. Thank you, folks. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.